All right, so let's go over the strat with BA today. I just want to do it one more time. This is such a simple. Actually, no. Let's do a random stock. Throw a stock at me, Dylan. Tesla.
I didn't even think of any. I was about to say USD JPY.
I'm on Forex. So just following the simple rules. No, see, that was messed. See, those are the ones that got. This is why I don't like doing these on Mondays. I'm gonna have to do more aggressive levels on Mondays. See, like there and like there. That would have been a little more aggressive with a few more possible plays. See, that would have been good for longs. I'm trying to do ones that are like straight to the core.
I was just putting your watch list on Monday, like, and added a note like, hey, it's Monday, so my levels are more aggressive.
Yeah, so definitely be prepared. See, like right here, I probably would have done the end of the after hours, and I would have done here because it touched it a crap ton of times here in pre-market. Even use it as a support here during the day. And right there. That's a really good long spot from today on Amazon. Oh no, wait. What's that one? No, not American Express. Let's do a smaller cap stock.
Verizon.
Verizon. So just using the strat on Verizon, you would have made bank.
Damn, look at that uptrend channel.
What are you hitting to make that dotted line across the street, or to make your actual level line?
Like what tool is it?
Yeah.
It's this price level tool here. Little dollar sign over a line. Yeah, John Magyar should be that. It's like my most used tool now. That was big point of entry right there. Never even would have exited.
Could have made yourself a little channel and watched it. You know?
That's easy money.
Mm-hmm.
And that's just using the high and low of pre-market. It's so futile, I swear. I really like these levels. And then monitoring previous day close is very smart too for bias of the stock intraday. I want to go back to BAC. So on Mondays when I choose more aggressive levels, I'm going to be choosing like that would have been it, and then that probably would have been it. And then that would have been my entries. So you could have shorted it and longed it today. That would have been for lunch hour, or power hour, sorry. Let's look at Home Depot. Home Depot is one of those ones you could do this on. Not doing that one. That was a long all day long. Man. So many possible plays it could have played today.
Long. Ooh, KO.
That would have been a good long. And all I'm doing is pre-market high, pre-market low, and then previous day close. Easy gains. Mondays it's a little different, but rest of the week these levels work a lot better. As well as watching these four. Just on Walmart today, you could have entered on probably the bottom of the screen candle would have been a good passive entry right here.
Dang, 109 though, like 114. $5 move. That's what did it go to, like 3%?
All day 7%.
Even okay.
Which is a lot. Cat.
Yeah, duh, anyways. Yeah, $5 would be like 5%.
That would have been a nice fake out, but RSI was overbought there, so shouldn't even have entered there. This would have been the good entry. Was one of these candles here. Ride that out.
Yeah, that
That
true
would have been a good
momentum.
scalp. True momentum is brazy down here.
Crazy.
Look at this one right here.
That's the thing too. It's, it held that support line, then it got that end of day pump. Your power hour.
Yeah, I'm seeing this on a lot of stocks. The power
I
hour.
mean, the market did that in general today, but on a normal day, your last hours is pretty strong too.
PayPal. Some aggressive levels.
If only I held SPY.
Yeah, I felt bad for you when I saw that pump. I was
Pull
like,
SPY
dang.
up quick. Put on the 5-minute. All right, so now go to where it V down at. Like right to your right. Yeah, there. I guess you could have went off MACD on the 5-minute.
Yeah, the MACD crossover was a safer entry, and it was and it was retaking that pre-market high right
Yeah.
there, which is a really good indication.
Wicked. And volume kind of shows it too, because like you have selling where you come down that V before it rallies. You have selling. That last candle was high volume, so it's people getting out and getting in and getting ready to reverse. See your volume spikes up during that last red candle.
Also a good level right there. Before it broke above that, then used as a support later on in the day before that power hour pump. You know, I didn't even look at Microsoft. Somebody mentioned that one to me earlier.
You look at MCD.
Damn.
Oh,
Not you can finish Microsoft.
I am
but
up a little on my contract right here. I bought late and I'm still up.
I feel like
at the end of the
almost,
day, yeah.
I feel like almost all these charts look identical.
Dude, honestly, just using this strategy, you literally could have played the crap out of McDonald's, dude. You could have entered so early. You could have just got into some long swings right here at 196.30 and rode that, dude. You'd be up so much already.
I'm only up 6% on mine, but I have contracts for 220 for April, so.
Oh, that's good then. I think that's the one I have too. I just got one for now.
I was gonna see when I got into mine.
I'm most likely gonna average down if any of this comes down.
I bought in at noon.
Oh, you got
which
in at
would
noon?
be 11 o'clock your time. 11
That's
o'clock.
right. You're an hour ahead. Oh, you got in at a really good time then. Yeah, so you're up a good amount. That sucks you had to go through this dip.
Yeah, I only bought one contract. It was like $80. I was thinking about adding to it, but I figured I'd wait and see what tomorrow does.
I wish I would have focused on this more because I probably would have done the same thing when you bought in, and then I would have saw that it caught this support from pre-market high, and then I
And
probably would have
probably-
averaged down and got like one or two more.
Yeah.
And then honestly, you could have scaled out of the other two that you bought once it got to end of day pump, because that power up
Yeah.
really saved a lot of people, except for people on Robinhood, sadly.
Yeah,
Or
all
the
that
weekends.
money. I just saw someone lost 170K on Robinhood.
Well,
What's another? Oh yeah, I was at
Lord.
Microsoft. So just using the levels I was saying. Bam and bam. And then your previous day close about right here. Held support on the previous day close.
Yeah, right. I mean, you could have like a bunch of plays, man. You could have played that first break to support, played it down, played it up.
It's crazy because this is 3 lines that anyone can draw. Previous day close, high and low, pre-market. And look how well they abide by it. Yeah, you gotta do a little of your own, emotional work there, but these are easy scalps though.
But even like what you could do, I mean, I should look at doing this, but like, well, you couldn't have gotten there. But you see it consolidating at that resistance line, the high. So you could have got puts, right?
Mhm.
Rode your puts down, and you could have held your puts and entered calls to be safe. And then once you see it go up, get out of your puts because you'll still be up, and then it'll be going up on your calls too.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
kind of like a little spread action, little hedging kind of.
Kind of, yeah. To verify if it's going to
The
reverse or
advantage of options, man.
I'm gonna have to try that tomorrow.
Let's look at John Deere. Haven't looked at John Deere in a while. I wouldn't use this strat on this stock, but just for fun. Look, previous day. Support. See, that's so crucial to watch. That's why I keep showing everybody this 100 times, because this is so crucial. I mean, you guys are seeing it on a Monday. It's abiding by everything. Now, I'm not saying candles are going to abide by everything you put on the chart, but that is just a great indication to see that on a Monday, on such an indecisive day, that it's following it very well. Damn, I probably would have gotten bottom of this candle at 159. Set a stop loss and let it ride. That was a good play. I'm sure IBM did about the same. Yep. Let's do an aggressive entry since it's Monday. Probably about there. Nah. I probably would have done about there. And then there, and then previous day close. About right there.
Oh wow, look at that.
Look. Resistance turns support. And then the power hour pump, just like that other chart. A lot of identical charts here. Bunch of awesome looking plays.
Go to Costco.
Costco went ham.
Yeah, it was almost 10% today.
Well, that would have been a pretty fun long play right out of the gate. Even at a passive entry with a stop loss, let's say you just entered here, top of that candle, 290. Let's say 296. That's $15.50. Set a really good stop loss. I probably would have just set the stop loss at this level, honestly. Yeah, you go down a little bit, man. Such great upside on the day like this. Indecisiveness is. You just gotta learn how to play it. What was that other one someone mentioned just the other day? We were talking about Costco and
Spotify?
I haven't looked at Cisco in a while.
Cisco. That's who it was.
Hey, Bueller, don't hate me, but look at USD JPY and tell me what that looks like.
A slight double top.
Oh, that doesn't look like money being printed on the way down.
Oh, I'm gonna hold up and guess and say you got shorts.
Oh boy, do I?
You played the cup and handle, didn't you?
Yeah, and it failed.
Yeah, look here. There it is. There's the cup and handle. This is
And
4x.
it failed. It failed.
You played this candle here.
Mm-hmm.
You legend.
All right, back to it.
Back to normal stuff. I don't think me and Devin have slept as much since 4x. Devin especially.
What is sleep?
What is sleep? There's a market open. See, that kind of did the thing like beyond, where it kind of like stayed in between the ranges, referring back to the choosing more aggressive levels on Mondays and indecisive days. And then previous day close. See, that's why I like to add that. It's kind of like playing a VWAP, but you're setting your own lines. It's not really a VWAP, but you get the point. So you use it as a resistance and a support. That's how crucial these lines are.